You know, this is true, and it is something that people, the Filipino people and the world did not expect can be done. And these are the shining moments of the Filipino people. It was really a non-violent revolution. There are no excesses when we talk of democracy. There are only excesses when we use that in violation of the rights of other people. So implementing has its limitations when it comes to implementing some of the laws, and when it comes to our behavior. Ito ang tingin kong hindi gagawin ng Pilipino na gawan ng solusyon ang kahit na anong suliranin sa pamamagitan ng pagdanak ng dugo. Hindi makapilipino yan at hindi ugaling Pilipino. Mapagpatawad? Yes, mapagpatawad. EDSA 1 is a big disappointment because within us, after that euphoric 4 days, we only expected mainly the leaders to change. Of course, there are times when whoever has the louder voice is heard by the smaller people, but we still have democracy. Another evidence is you could be writing something like this if there's no democracy. Democracy can be found in our daily lives. And for our youth, it's really love for history that we should reinforce. It's not just it's not just a list of information, data, statistics, but more.